Hey there, I'm Lee Brunellen with the Natural Health Clinic. Baking soda. It's cheap, powerful, probably sitting in your pantry. Now, some people swear that it's a miracle. Others, of course, say it's completely dangerous, you should never touch it. So, which one is it? Well, the answer is, it depends. So let me share with you when baking soda can actually help you and when it absolutely can wreck your digestion. Stay tuned for that. It'll be right after this. So let's start with the basics. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It's not just a kitchen product. Your pancreas actually manufactures and secretes it. Why? Well, it's because when food leaves your stomach and it starts traveling down into your small intestine, it's extremely acidic. In fact, the pH is anywhere between 1 and 3 pH. That is battery acid level. Your pancreas, though, responds by releasing sodium bicarbonate to neutralize that acidic effect. This creates the proper environment so that your pancreatic enzymes can go to work. No bicarbonate, no enzyme activity, which is a very bad thing. And that means that they could have bloating if they have no enzyme activity from the pancreas because of low bicarbonate. They have bloating, cramping, indigestion, poor absorption of different nutrients, minerals, and obviously just plain old misery. So what happens when your pancreas isn't pulling that weight? Well, sometimes a little baking soda can help with acid reflux or GERD. Now, let me be clear, GERD and acid reflux are not the same as just plain old indigestion. They involve a far more complex dysfunction with your lower esophageal sphincter and acid timing. And while baking soda won't fix the root cause of indigestion, it can sometimes ease the issue. And what if you're an athlete? Well, this may seem wild, but sodium bicarbonate can give you a real edge because it helps to buffer lactic acid so that you can get more stamina and have less post-workout pain or burn or sore muscles, in plain words. So that's why some performance trainers call this the unfair advantage, plain old baking soda. It's also been used to help with chronic UTIs, kidney stones, and even applied topically to bee stings and fire ant bites, which works quite well. Just don't ever use it on wasp stings. Their venom is alkaline, so you need something acidic like vinegar to neutralize that. Never apply baking soda to spider bites either. Never. Don't do it, period. Now, here's the warning. Baking soda is not a long-term solution for anything, including indigestion. You use too much and you'll start to neutralize your stomach acid even more, which you absolutely need very low pH acidic stomach acid. Because stomach acid helps you to digest protein, it absorbs B12 and different minerals such as iron, calcium. It kills harmful bacteria, pathogens, parasites, and it triggers those downstream enzymes to be released. So you wipe that all out and you're asking for a major issue of gut dysbiosis, nutrient deficiencies obviously, and a lot of symptoms that look like, strangely enough, mystery illnesses. Plenty of those around, aren't there? But indigestion, real indigestion. Don't confuse that with acid reflux. Baking soda will make indigestion worse. because you're dampening that stomach acid that you actually need to digest your meal, especially if it's a protein-based meal and you tend to eat more protein. So think of it this way. Short-term relief, do it sometimes, occasionally. A long-term crutch, never. It will not work, no way. So here's some weird stuff about baking soda that you may not know. So baking soda can neutralize the mouth acid, which helps to fight plaque, tartar, biofilms, because it's the bacteria that create those things. So it helps to neutralize that bacteria. But if you're still eating sugar, those bacteria, even though you take the baking soda, going to produce the acid anyway. So by now you know what to do, right? It can also help with household pests. For example, you can mix a little bit of baking soda with some sugar, set that out for our wonderful friends called cockroaches, and they will consume that mixture. It will create carbon dioxide, and yes, that will kill them. Also, this is classic. You probably already know this one, but of course it can also deodorize the smells, the odors within your fridge. So never mix baking soda with vinegar or lemon juice. It will create copious amounts of carbon dioxide. You're going to swell up like a balloon, not in a good way, and you will probably wish that it could also burst, or at least it's going to feel like it could. So don't do that. So here's the takeaway. Baking soda can be helpful, obviously, in different situations. It has to be used occasionally and strategically. It can give you a small window of relief from reflux, and it can support your workouts. It also has some clever side uses. And yes, your body does, specifically your pancreas, make it naturally. But too much, it will definitely backfire. It's not a natural antacid in any way. In fact, it's a buffering agent, and misusing it can mess with your digestive fire. And again, you need that digestive fire, that stomach acid, in order to adequately digest protein and absorb B12 and many minerals. So here at the Natural Health Clinic, we help people just like you to get to the root cause of their digestive issues. Fatigue, hormone problems, autoimmune diseases, and even more than that. Sometimes I never know what's going to present into the clinic every day. So the way that we do that is that we use powerful tools like nutrition response testing and advanced lab testing to really identify what could be causing some of these issues and to get the answers that you're looking for. So that helps you not be stuck into constantly chasing these symptoms with pantry items. And if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you would hit the like button, comment, share. If it's on YouTube, it would be wonderful if you would subscribe as well. And if you are looking for those answers and you're done with the pantry items, then I invite you to an initial consultation, and you can do that simply by calling the office. You'll see the phone number below, or even emailing our front desk, Randy, and she will help set that up for you. So, my name's Leigh Brunellen, the founder of the Natural Health Clinic, and thanks again for watching.